Hey guys, so as you probably have seen, we've been looking for a new truck to replace Larry, our F-150, because we are towing our SEMA car from Florida to Las Vegas, which is a very long trip. And we just wanted a little bit more torque, a little bit more horsepower. We put it out to see what you guys had any suggestions for, and we didn't actually think about it, but Edelbrock commented on our video, and they are the love of our lives. We love Edelbrock. And said that they have a stage 1 turbo that will actually make more horsepower than most 70K trucks that are brand new right now. So under me is their stage 1 turbo. So we're gonna unbox it and you guys are gonna see the process of it going on Larry. The one thing that Edelbrock did say about the stage 1 turbo is they want it professionally installed. So I'm going to be up at college by the time we are installing this, so I'm going to have Dane take over with the professionals after, but really cool. Let's unbox it. This is either the tubing or the intercoolers, so you got to be super careful. So we have the intercooler. It's actually really, really pretty. That's cute. That's so cute. You know, we need to do one of those trends that's like how Riley opens packages. It's so cutesy. It's so demure. It's so respectful. That's a trend. What is this?
The flash drive, it's the tuner.
Oh, that's so cool. Wait, I didn't know Edelbrock made anything like this. That's really cool. RTD, a tunes delivery device. It allows customers to send vehicle reads, files, and share dialogue directly to the tuner and receive professional calibration files to the flash to their vehicle via TDN app. The RTD offers full iOS and Android support for the TDN app. So cool. It's so like professionally made. Like there's a magnet. Oh, sorry. The little things like make me interested. That's not. We know what this looks like. We can put that away. So I'm assuming this is the tubing. Ta-da! Oh wait.
It's nice. It's all free flow tubing.
Wait, no, I want this.
That goes on the tube.
No,
No, it's gonna ruin the sticker. It goes on the tube.
it was on the cardboard.
Okay, I'm sure it goes on the tube somewhere.
It was on the cardboard right here.
Okay, great. It goes on the tube
It's
somewhere.
sticky.
Great. So we'll put a new sticker on it. Nice.
Oh, it goes right here.
There you
And hopefully it's not backwards.
go.
Does it matter?
That's correct. That's good. Awesome. No, hold it up.
Super pretty.
Show me the other one.
They're plastic.
Ooh.
Hello, Dad.
Hey.
How's the Twin-Force turbo kit from Edelbrock treating you?
Well, how's this? Oh boy, we're getting on a highway, so this is all right. It is awesome. It's so good. For being just a bolt-on thing, like just the intercooler, the tubing is really nice, and then the tune, it's like an instant, I don't know, I don't know what they tell you. I think it's like 65 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds, or the other way around. It's so nice because it drives like normal, but when you step on it, man, you can feel it. And we towed the Nomad yesterday out to a photo shoot out to the beach, and I could tow in 9th gear on with the Ford, and I could never do that before. I had to be in 6th or 7th gear, otherwise it would get hot and unhappy. But I was rolling along in 9th gear, and I think I was getting like almost 12 miles to the gallon with 10,000 pounds behind us, 5,000 pound race trailer, and then the car and all the parts. So I am extremely impressed for a bolt-on upgrade. It doesn't interfere with how the truck rides normally. It's not extra loud. It's just the normal truck, but when you want that extra power, it's there. So extremely impressed, and I would highly recommend it. We did have an ASE certified technician do the install, and I'm glad he was there because it made it go a lot easier. He was, he knew right away what clips needed to be pulled and what electrical connections and how to disconnect them. But honestly, we had the whole thing done in less than 3 hours.
Less than that.
Maybe even less than that, 2 hours. Yeah, it was super good. So excellent job, Edelbrock. Great product. If anybody has a Ford F150, the EcoBoosts, and you want some extra power, but you don't want to mess with the engine, you don't want to mess with changing the driving characteristics of the truck on a regular basis, that's a really good upgrade. So excellent job.